Greetings, history enthusiasts, and welcome to the Seeker channel. Today, we are embarking on an extraordinary journey through the rich and diverse history of Africa. From ancient civilizations to colonial struggles and beyond, Africa's story is both fascinating and essential to understanding the world's history. So, let's dive in and explore the captivating tapestry of African history. Our journey begins with the cradle of civilization itself. Ancient Africa was home to remarkable empires like Egypt, Nubia, Carthage, and Aksum. These civilizations made groundbreaking contributions to art, science, and architecture. The trans-Saharan trade routes connected Africa to the Mediterranean world, facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. This era witnessed the rise of powerful Sahelian kingdoms like Ghana, Mali, and Songhai. The late 19th century marked the scramble for Africa by European powers. This era of colonialism led to the division of the continent and the exploitation of its resources. The mid-20th century saw a wave of decolonization as African nations fought for their independence. Leaders like Kwame Nkrumah, Jomo Kenyatta, and Nelson Mandela played pivotal roles. Post-independence Africa faced complex challenges, including political instability, ethnic conflicts, and economic issues. Nevertheless, the continent witnessed progress and resilience. Today, Africa is a dynamic continent with diverse cultures, economies, and societies. It's a hub of innovation, arts, and global influence. Throughout history, Africa has made significant contributions to the world, including advancements in mathematics, medicine, music, and literature. And there you have it, a brief but enthralling journey through the history of Africa. This continent's story is a testament to human resilience, diversity, and cultural richness. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on more historical adventures. Until next time, remember that history is not just a reflection of the past, it's a guide to our future. Keep exploring the pages of history,